Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an airplane engine. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my compass to draw a circle first. Okay, here it is. Let's draw another one. And now I will draw something like a half circle. I mean not a full circle. Okay. And now I will draw another half circle. And finally, a tiny one. Let's make it like a water drop. Let's clean inside it. And now I will draw the main shape of it. And now I'm drawing the fan. Perfect. Let's do the outline. To do the outline, I'm using my black pen. I'm using my black pen to do some coloring also. And now I'm using my gray color pen. I'm using the same gray color pen to color the fan. And now I'm going to use black. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.